Hi, I'm Carol Ann with Studio Fit of Tampa, and today I'm going to talk about exercise balls for lower back pain. Now, the reason why a lot of us have lower back pain or lower back issues is because one of those muscles is weak. So we've got weak abdominal muscles or we have weak lower back muscles, which causes us pain. So when we're performing exercises, we may need a little bit of assistance to protect the lower back area. And for example, I've got this really squishy little ball that we can use during Pilates classes. So if you've got lower back pain and your instructor is asking you to do a double leg drop, which causes your back to pull up off the floor and it causes you pain, you can simply just place this under the small of your back and that will relieve the pain. And will also help you redistribute the energy and so that you're not pulling on those lower back muscles. Another great exercise ball that you can use is the stability ball. You can use this for a lot of exercises to strengthen not only your back muscles but your abdominal muscles as well. So one exercise that you can perform to strengthen the lower back muscles is a back extension on the ball. So just place your feet up against the wall, place your belly on the ball and lift using your back muscles. And then the third exercise ball that we can use is the medicine ball. And this medicine ball we can use to strengthen those abdominal muscles. So we're strengthening both the abdominal muscles and the lower back to prevent any more lower back issues. So those are some exercise balls that you can use for lower back pain. And I'm Carol Ann with Studio Fit of Tampa.